Hey guys, welcome to Animal Night Live! And today we have a special guest. His name is T. Tiger. His real name is Thomas Tiger. And here he is right now. What's up? Yeah, it's me. I'm here. And as most of you know me, like from school and stuff. Yeah. And I am world famous for my hilarious yolks. That was a pretty crappy joke. Yeah, I know, it had nothing to do with eggs. You suck. No, don't. Why do you think you brought me on the Animal Night Live show? Because you're funny. Oh! Okay, so, well, what are we going to talk about? What do you want to talk about? Let's just say, I'll ask you some jokes. What do you call a guy with scissors in his hands? I don't know. Scissor Man? Edward Scissorhands. Ching. Sue. Knock knock. Who's there? Your mom. Your mom who? Your mom who is living in your freaking apartment. Ah! Ching. So you want to ask me a joke? What did the duck say to the person when he had to pay? Put it on my bill. Crap. You're just supposed to say what? Not the joke I was gonna say. Well, you suck, because I know everybody's jokes. Yeah? What do you call a duck? That's a duck. A duck. Crap! What do you say when somebody drops your eggs on the floor? I don't know. Are you kidding me? Are you yoking me? Ching. Ha. Beat that. Why is Animal Night Live so famous? Because it's not even famous. Ching. Crap, you haven't got the right answer for that. Yeah. Guess what? What do you call a chair that's backwards? A backwards chair? Your mom. Oh! Okay. What has 4 legs but's not alive and can't move? I don't know. I can't even guess that. A table. Heh. Okay. What did the fish say to the other fish? Wait, what? Oh yeah, I was kidding about that. What was the other fish's name? I don't know. Sardine. Oh! Dumb chair. So, you want to continue on? Or are you a too coward? I'm a coward. Yeah, 'cause you're a chicken. Ching. I'm actually a duck. Suck it. So, do you know when I can come back another time? Well, we're supposed to actually get guests from people that aren't even from this channel. or just some friends that of the person that's recording us. Yeah, his friends. Yeah, they're supposed to be on the show. It's actually supposed to be guests that other people. Ooh. But I'm funny. And sometimes, in the show, you're allowed to have some people from this person's house, right? This person. Right there. Of course. It's not like we have over 1 million friends. But we have over 1 million subscribers. Ah! No, I was just joking.